Muslims are escaping India at a rate that is 400% higher than Hindus. The per capita rate of Muslim emigration was about 4 times higher than the rate of Hindu emigration, and this means that Muslims are escaping India at a rate that is 400% higher. Sure. The Pew Research Center estimates that there were 1.2 million Hindus who left India between 1990 and 2020, while only 800,000 Muslims left during the same period. This means that the rate of Hindu emigration from India was about 1.5 times higher than the rate of Muslim emigration. However, it is important to note that these figures only represent the net outflow of people from India. They do not take into account the number of people who moved to India during the same period. It is possible that the number of Muslims immigrating to India was higher than the number of Hindus immigrating, in which case the overall number of Muslims in India would have increased. To calculate the per capita rates of emigration, we need to divide the number of people who emigrated by the total population of each religious group. The 2020 census estimates that there were 1.38 billion Hindus in India and 200 million Muslims in India. This means that the per capita rate of Hindu emigration was 0.09%, while the per capita rate of Muslim emigration was 0.4%. In other words, Muslims were emigrating from India at a rate that was about 4 times higher than the rate of Hindus. However, it is important to note that these are just estimates and the actual rates of emigration may be different. Here is a table that summarizes the data. Religious group, number emigrating, total population, per capita rate. Hindus 1.2 million, 1.38 billion, 0.09%. Muslims 800,000, 200 million, 0.4%. As you can see, the per capita rate of Muslim emigration was significantly higher than the per capita rate of Hindu emigration. However, it is important to note that these are just estimates and the actual rates of emigration may be different.